To begin, remove the banding and tape from your box. When emptying the contents, please be aware the base of this machine will be quite heavy, so it is recommended that 2 people help lift the item. Check your parts against the manual to make sure you are not missing any items. The first stage of assembly is to attach the stabilisers. Use 2 carriage bolts, 2 arc washers, 2 cap nuts, and secure using the multi-tool from your tools pack. The stabiliser with the wheels will be attached to the front of the machine, following the same process. Next, connect the sensor wire from the base to the handlebar post. Make sure your pins are aligned. Then connect the tension cable. This may take some force, so make sure to pull the cable hard until it clips over the top. Now feed the wires into the frame. Be careful not to catch the wires inside the post. Secure the handlebar post to the base using 8 Allen head bolts, 8 arc washers, and tighten using your Allen key. Locate your right and left swing arms. Each one will be labelled with a sticker. Start by sliding the top hole into the handlebar post slightly, followed by the bottom hole into the flywheel crank. Once they are aligned, push both in together. Secure the swing arm at the base using a flat washer and nylon nut. Tighten using the Hex Spanner. Secure the swing arm at the handlebar post using a flat washer and a silver Hex bolt. Tighten using the small spanner. Next, attach the top handrails to the swing arms. Each one again will be labelled with a right and left sticker. Use 2 carriage bolts, 2 arc washers, and 2 cap nuts for each side. Tighten using the Allen key and small spanner. Now attach the foot plates to the bottom of the swing arms. Again, each one will be labelled with a right and left sticker. Use 2 silver Hex bolts, 2 flat washers and 2 nylon nuts for each pedal. Tighten using the Hex Spanner. two swing arm joint casings using a small black screw which will be found in the frame. Use the end of your multi-tool to secure the screw. Feed the two sensor wires from the pulse plate handlebars through the back of the handlebar post and pull them up through the frame. Make sure to push the black cap back into the handlebar post as well. Secure the pulse plate handlebars using 4 carriage bolts, 4 arc washers and 4 cap nuts. Tighten using your Allen key and small spanner. Lastly, attach your monitor to the machine by first connecting the 3 sensor wires. Make sure the pins align for each one and that you hear a click. Feed the wires back into the frame and remove the screws from the back of the monitor. Align the holes to the monitor stand and reattach the screws using the end of your multi-tool.